Today is going to be a quick video on how to build a compact TNT cannon, but if you do this in the 1.7.9 update, it will shoot farther than 100 blocks, and if you do it in the latest version, it will work more like a firework machine, I guess you could call it. So all the materials you will need is in my inventory right now. So you need dispenser, redstone, a redstone repeaters, water bucket, oak fence or any type of fence, a button of any kind, and then a block of any kind. So you want to start off by making a 3 by 1 hole and placing an oak fence, and then you want to get your dispensers and you put one there, one there, one there, and one there, and then you put one up facing like that, and then first you put them under there, and then you come around to the back side, break those 2 blocks, get your redstone, put it like that, put a block there and there, put redstone here, 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 and here, and then you get your redstone repeaters and go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then you get your block of your choice, put a wall like that, and then a wall like that. Place a dispenser here. Dispenser there, redstone there, and then add your button there. And make sure all of these are on, all the repeaters are on 3 clicks. And then now all you need to do is get your TNT, 6 stacks. I think that's 6, isn't it? Yep, 6. Then you just put 1 in every single one, like this. And now all you gotta do is come around to the back, hit this button. As you can see, the repeaters go off, the TNT shoots out of there, it gets fired up and blown up in the air. Let's do that one more time. Right. Oh, that one didn't launch as high. So that's pretty much it, guys. This has been the video on how to make a compact TNT cannon. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and comment. And I will see you all in the next video. Bye.